Hi guys, welcome to my page. What are we cooking today? We are cooking melon soup. Yes, and the first thing we are doing, we are going to put our fish in the oven. If you are wondering what type of fish is this is egg. Yes, and unless I forgot, I've already washed the fish. They are clean. I've seasoned it as well. So let's put it in the oven. Yes, some people you can cook it before, you can cook it this way without putting it in the oven, but I just put in mine to make it dry a bit. Yeah, now this is a red oil, yes, palm oil, and this is a mixture of melon and a mixture of pepper and onions. Yes, I blended it all together and I'm putting gnocchi, and this is local beans. Yes, in my language we call it iru. So we allow it to cook for some minutes. Yes, using liver as well. I love liver, so I'm in this video I'm using liver, combination of liver and fish all together as the protein. Yes, wow, as you can see, it's coming up. Yes, now the next thing we are going to do, we are going to check our fish, which is ready. Yeah, our fish is ready. Yeah, it is ready. Yes, I love this. I love this. Okay guys, let's put salt, and before we know it, our soup ready to eat. Yes, you're easy to eat. Try, swallow. Thank you guys. Bye.